Are you tired of hearing about passive income ideas that require a huge upfront investment? What if I told you that you could start building multiple passive income streams right now, with $0, using the power of artificial intelligence? In this video, I'm going to reveal 5 AI-powered passive income ideas that you can start today for free. Stick around until the end to find out which idea has the highest earning potential. First up, we have AI-generated content creation. This is one of the easiest ways to get started. You can use free AI tools like ChatGPT to write blog posts, articles, or even scripts for other YouTube channels. The key is to find a niche you're interested in, and then use AI to create high-quality content at scale. You can then sell this content to clients on freelancing platforms like Upwork or Fiverr, or start your own blog and monetize it with ads and affiliate marketing. Next, let's talk about AI-powered affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is where you promote other companies' products, and you earn a commission for every sale made through your unique affiliate link. You can use AI to write product reviews, create engaging social media posts, and even build entire websites dedicated to promoting affiliate products. The best part is that you don't have to create your own products, so you can get started with no money down. Are you a creative person? Then you'll love this next idea: AI-generated digital art and designs. With tools like Midjourney and DALL-E 2, you can create stunning images and designs with just a few text prompts. You can then sell these designs on platforms like Etsy or Redbubble, or use them to create your own print-on-demand products like t-shirts, mugs, and phone cases. The possibilities are endless, and you don't need any artistic skill to get started. You're watching one right now. Faceless YouTube channels are a huge trend, and AI makes them easier than ever to create. You can use AI to generate video scripts, create voiceovers, and even edit your videos. You can create channels in any niche, from meditation and relaxation to educational content and top 10 lists. Once your channel is monetized, you can earn a significant passive income from ad revenue. Last but not least, we have AI-powered chatbot creation. This one is a bit more technical, but it has a massive earning potential. Many businesses are looking for ways to automate their customer service, and you can create AI-powered chatbots to help them do just that. You can use no-code platforms to build these chatbots, so you don't need any programming experience. You can then sell these chatbots to businesses as a one-time service, or charge a monthly subscription for ongoing maintenance and support. So there you have it, 5 AI-powered passive income ideas you can start with $0. As promised, the idea with the highest earning potential is the AI-powered chatbot creation. But all of these ideas have the potential to generate a significant income. If you're ready to start your journey to financial freedom, pick one of these ideas and take action today. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos on how to build wealth and achieve your financial goals.